The first is that skin is very much in. We saw this during the pandemic that people spent a lot more on skincare than even makeup, for example. So the way I'm seeing this being leaned into is with the specific sunscreens that you should use and also things like hats for sun coverage. So these are all LTK brands. This is Capello, a brand that is based in Dallas, Texas, but made in Ecuador. Gives you a large brim so that you have a lot of sun coverage. Underneath that, I am wearing my Elta MD skincare. This was recommended by my dermatologist and my facialist. I wear this every single day under my makeup and on my hands too. That's a place where you really age. You might not realize it, but hands show age, so be sure that you're putting it there as well. Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen is like my secret to how I'm actually putting my sunscreen on with my nice clothing, like at the beach or with my swimsuits. This stuff is not oily at all. It actually goes on completely dry, so it won't ruin your clothes. I use this for myself. Supergoop also has a new product called Poof Powder. And Poof Powder is basically a powder you can put in your part, but it's great for children's hair, so you're not just like rubbing oily sunscreen all over their hair. So it's a new product that I actually just got in for this year.